energy is contagious. People are naturally drawn to individuals who radiate positivity, warmth, and confidence. If you can master the art of projecting dynamic energy, you can make others obsessed with your presence. Here's how to harness and amplify your energy to make people want to be around you constantly. Step 1. Radiate positivity. When you walk into a room, make it a point to bring positivity with you. Smile, be enthusiastic, and engage with others in an upbeat way. Positive energy is infectious. It lifts people up and makes them want to be around you. People are subconsciously drawn to those who bring good vibes because they associate your presence with feel-good emotions. Step 2. Be authentically yourself. Authenticity amplifies your energy. When you are true to who you are without pretending to be something you're not, your energy becomes magnetic. People are attracted to those who are comfortable in their own skin because it's refreshing and empowering. When your energy is genuine, others want to be part of it. Step 3. Show passion for life. Passion is one of the most magnetic qualities someone can have. Whether it's your work, your hobbies, or your personal goals, when you speak with passion, others can't help but be drawn into your excitement. Passionate energy excites those around you and makes them want to join you in your journey. By focusing on positivity, authenticity, and passion, you can create an aura of irresistible energy that makes people obsessed with being around you. These explanations provide you with powerful psychological insights to manipulate social interactions in your favor. By understanding human behavior and applying these tactics, you can shape the way others perceive and respond to you. If you'd like more topics or deeper dives, let me know. Subscribe for more helpful psychology.